Okay, you guys, we are starting the RV search. Be right back. Yeah, okay, so we are checking out we're checking out these Majestics, these refurbished Cruise Americas Class C's, and this is the 30 footer, I believe. So yeah, let's take a look here. Look at this storage. Could you hold that? It's got a table you can bring out and set up. So cool. Go around here to the upside. What's this? Okay, there's your propane. This one's already sold, and he said they're backed up for like 2 months. 2 months, I think. So we'd have to put our order in for one now to get it 2 months from now. Cummins owning a 4,000 watt generator. Looks like it's one battery. Yeah, awesome. Let's take a look inside. It's getting pumped for this full-time RV. Lisa, you want to come in and talk about what light dislike? Let's see, I think it's plugged in. Let's turn some lights on. Yeah, cool. Oop. All right. What do you think so far here? What's
Well, I like the floors. I like the color scheme, real basic, so you can put anything you want with it. Actually, I'm kind of impressed with the amount of storage for the size, with the cabinets and everything.
Yeah. we were just inside. They have a 23 footer in there, but yeah, that'd be way too small for us. And that fridge is smaller too. This fridge looks a little bigger.
I think it is, yeah.
Yeah, I believe it is. These they don't come with
ovens. It's only a microwave and a stove. No oven. It's not a...
Yeah, they don't come with ovens. Just the microwave and stove.
I don't like the shower because you have to step into it the way it is, and it is very small.
Boy, yeah.
I'm like, you can only stand that way. You can't even turn the other way.
Yeah, that's pretty tight. That's pretty tight. Good thing I'm not even any taller.
So that's a real negative.
Okay, here's it's a queen size bed.
And really, for the size of the place, the bedroom is not all that bad. I mean, at least you can walk from side to side. You each have a cupboard and drawer.
Yeah.
I'm assuming that's gonna be
Some storage. Yeah.
no.
Oh no. Oh yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay.
Very little.
Yeah. Looks like they might have. Let's see, how about the toilet? Should we do the toilet test?
All right, let me get into the bedroom.
Okay, now I got to be comfortable on. No, I'm not pulling my pins. Okay, my feet aren't touching the floor. If I go up here like this, I guess. Toilet paper's down here. It's actually not that bad. It's just feet dangle. So anyway, get that light. Get the lights off here, and let's take a look up here.
I don't like the other seat that you can't put it back. It's right against the sofa.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's right against the sofa there. Real basic. I don't see anything saying what year this is. I'm guessing probably a 15 or a 16, maybe a 17. I don't know. And they usually have like around 120,000 miles or something like that. Yeah, real basic. So anyway, okay, now we're gonna go to Coachman and check out a Leprechaun. Okay, yeah, we're at La Mesa RV, and yeah, we just left Cruise America or the Majestic, and online it said that it said La Mesa RV he had the Coachman, but he said they're not a Coachman dealer, but so we're here just kind of looking around. We just got out of a Class C. This one's got an odor to it. No oven.
No. This is nice, like that. The kitchen's not too bad. This is interesting though. That table slides or goes down.
Yeah, must.
Or maybe not.
Yeah, I bet it does. Anyway, yeah, it looks like it goes in. They're asking $55,000 for this. It smells like smoker.
They don't do. They're small.
Yeah, this is the same as the.
Oh.
I'm gonna get out of here. It stinks in here.
Sorry, used.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll have to wait with the Coachman, the Leprechaun.
That's an Omni. That's like a long.
Check out this Omni. No, I wonder if that's a Super C.
Oh,
It might be, yeah. All right. It's your TV. I have no idea what that is. You guys probably do though. Leave it in the comments. Yeah, I'm just gonna poke a head in here, and looks like the sales guy is coming back. So, oh, this is cool. This is nice. Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's not bad.
What's going on? Take a little video.
Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, no worries. This is my partner, Ron. I got a customer that's asking for me.
Oh, okay.
He's been in the business for a while, so he's going to help you guys out.
Okay, all right.
I'm pretty good at this.
Are you?
There's a water
Well,
for
thank you. Thank you.
You guys are in great hands, okay?
Who's you guys?
His wife's here, too.
Oh, okay, good.
And anyway, we'll talk to you guys later. We're gonna hang out with them. No, you're all right. You're good. With Ron. Okay, you guys. Yeah, we did wind up coming over here to this one. This is a Winnebago Intent, and it's got an outdoor kitchen.
I can send you guys this link.
I took a picture of the stock number.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. I'm just gonna get it quick for my.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay.
Let me know if you guys got questions.
I will. Okay, yeah. I just want them to leave me alone for a little bit so I can show you guys. I'm gonna turn any lights on. This whole side is a slide. We really like this. This is a 29 feet. And one thing we like is when the slide comes in, you know, you can still use the bed. The bed does not fold up like some of them do. Bathroom. Toilet test. Got your toilet paper down here. Yeah, this is checking some boxes here. So the chairs, the seats rotate around. Put a table there. There's your TV. But anyway, yeah, this is a great option. We're going to do a little more research on this, and yeah. Well, anyway, I'm gonna end this video here, you guys. Love each and every one of you. Appreciate you. Share this with a like-minded person. Boy, that Jeep's loud. Share this with a like-minded person, and give us a like, comment. I'd like to hear from you guys. So God bless. Take care. Bye.